Okay.
Did you guys do everything?
I watch the videos. That's like what I do, and then I just kind of wing it from there.
Yeah, pretty much what I did too.
Yeah.
I had like had everything up, but
So do I.
like I did all the stuff on Excel. Hold on, I'm trying to find it.
Oh, so you got it? You figured it, or like were able to.
Yeah,
I know we were kind of struggling before. We kind of figured it out though.
yeah, I got it all. Well, because after me and you took that quiz and we got the p-value wrong, remember how I got the p-value wrong on everything?
Yeah.
I figured out what was wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I like was trying to watch the videos again and try to figure out what we did, but I couldn't remember what we did wrong.
Because have you opened the quantitative inference procedures Excel page
No.
where it like shows everything that was like in the videos? Well, when we were doing it, I had it on the two sample test because there's like different pages for different
Oh, yeah. It like talks about it
posts.
in videos this time. Yeah, like the one sample and then the two sample.
On the one sample, but I didn't know that because we had never used it before.
That's weird that it did p-value last time, even though he talked about it more this time and like how to do it correctly.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, do you guys want to go over the homework, or would you just want to jump into the quiz and kind of get it out of the way?
I'd rather just take the quiz.
Agreed.
You guys are going to just take the quiz?
Yeah, it's basically what we do. We kind of figure it out through the quiz.
What?
I watch the videos. I'm good.
The quiz is 16 questions.
The quiz is 16?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not horrible.
Mm-mm.
All right. Number 3. Suppose we have a set of paired data and let d equals x after negative x before 0.
Okay, we have to use that formula for the test statistic, right?
Yeah, the matched pairs, the confidence intervals, whatever. It's the d plus or minus t times the sd over the square root of n.
Wait, plus or minus. We're not doing the interval thing. We're just finding the test statistic.
Oh,
So it's in the summary of unit or of lesson 11. It's at the bottom.
oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, wait. confused. So whatever the M thing is called, or the U thing, is that just 0?
What part?
The U thing in the formula, is that just 0?
Yeah, because that's just the null hypothesis, which is 0.
Okay. Wait, so what did you get? I got 2. I don't think that's right.
What's the formula that you're using? Because I think I have it, but I don't know where I'm plugging in most of the stuff.
I did the T equals the mean, the X with like the line over it,
Yeah.
minus U divided by S divided by square root of N.
Okay.
That's the,
Isn't that the t distribution or the
yeah, what's
t-score?
the test statistic?
I have the test statistic, and I think I have z equals the x with the line over it minus uo, so it's the null hypothesis, divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
What lesson is that in?
11 is what I have written down in my notes.
So you're doing with that formula, it would be 2.2 minus what? What is the mean? Minus 0?
Yeah, that part would be minus 0 because that's supposed to be the null hypothesis, which in the question it says the null hypothesis is 0.
And then the bottom is 3.3 divided by the square root of 9?
Possibly, I think so.
That's what I did for my formula, and I got 2.
I think so, yeah. I think that's what you're supposed to do.
Wait, so what did you get for yours?
Hold on.
Wait, I have in the homework the answer key, the test to find the test statistic. It's the formula that I told you that I used.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
T equals the mean minus U divided by S divided by square root of N.
Okay.
And I
So
got 2.
2?
Yeah. What did you get, Renee?
That's what I got using that formula.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Alternative.
if you look at the next question, I'm pretty sure we got it right.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that's what that meant, but
Okay, well for this one you have to use the normal probability applet, and I can't find it.
I can bring up the probability applet. Okay. And then, let's see. Do I put the 0.0403 in the area?
Wait, what?
For 4? Wait, to determine the p-value, don't you use Excel or SPSS?
This is a p-value is calculated by finding the area under the normal distribution curve that is more extreme, farther away from the mean than the z-score.
so is that just using that probability applet?
Yeah, but I don't know what lesson that was in and I can't find it.
Well, I'm not doing so great finding p-value. I'm
Neither
getting
am
wrong on every
Probability applet.
test.
I. Okay, so I have the probability applet. So do you just put 2 into the z-score and then shade above that?
Well, okay. If you put 2 into the z-score, what do you get for the above? You should get 0.0403. Is what
I'm getting 0.045.
Oh my gosh, I just need to find this. How did you find that thing?
I had it bookmarked, so that way I could just click on it when I needed it.
Okay.
5.
If you search it into the textbook, you should be able to find it.
Greater than 2. Greater than 2 is 0.0403.
Okay, well, I just don't know, like, if you use that thing they gave us.
I just know that when I was watching the video, he said that to determine the p-value, you use SPSS or
I'm
Excel.
not figuring it out. I'm just trying to plug everything in. But they don't give us numbers, that's why it's hard to. Okay, p-value is, wait, what does it say in the thing? 0.0403?
Yeah,
Yeah, I got that. Hold on.
What did you get?
she got the 0.0403 that's in the question.
I'm sorry. She got what? I can't hear Kelsey at all.
What? I mean, I got that number, but I don't know what it's asking for, though.
Um, it says use HA to determine the p-value for this test. Which,
So the null hypothesis is that it's not equal, so it's two-tailed, right? It's greater than or less than.
The null is that it's equal to 0. The alternative is that it's not equal. So if it's not equal, then it says on here the p-value is 0.0805. It'd be 0.081 if I'm doing this right. But I don't know, it's hard because they don't give you numbers. Like, I can do it when they give you all the numbers. But I don't know. But I mean, when I plugged in, like the test statistic was 2, and then the standard deviation, it gave me the 0.0403, so I think it's right.
So 0.081.
yeah,
Yeah.
And you're doing that on the SPSS?
No. On Excel.
Okay.
On the quantitative inference procedures thing
Mm-hmm.
that we tried to use for like the last 3 assignments.
Yeah.
don't know how you find the sample mean. I got it on the Excel thing, but it gives me the mean of variable 1, variable 2, and the differences.
Okay, well, D is supposed to be the sample mean difference.
It's the sample mean difference.
Yeah.
Okay. Did anybody else do it or no?
No, I still don't have SPSS.
No, I went back and I'm rereading the lesson.
It's not SPSS. There's a link right in lesson 12 to the Excel thing.
I know, every time I try to pull it up, it doesn't work.
It's just Excel.
I know, for some reason it doesn't work on my computer because I've tried multiple times to do it.
You don't have Excel at all on your computer?
Yeah, I do. That's the thing is it'll bring it up, but it doesn't actually have anything. It's all messed up. And it only has like text on it instead of the actual program or whatever.
So the answer is 31.025. The next one is 341.157.
Are you trying to do the test statistic?
Yeah, because I screwed up. It had the formula right on there. And I messed it up. So I need to do this. Hold on. Okay, this is okay, hold on. I had to open up a new one because I screwed up one of the formulas.
Gosh. And that's like the rest of the problems is there's this one and then another one for 5 of the problems.
The test statistic is 0.407.
0.57?
407. And the p-value is 0.689.
All right, what is the correct decision based on this evidence?
I forgot. if the p-value is less than whatever that thing is so we fail to reject it because the p-value is higher than the level of significance.
Yeah.
This one is you still fail to reject the null because the p-value would be 0.344.
Okay.
Are you on the second set?
No, the first one.
We just finished number 10.
Yeah.
So for the p-value for number 8, did you get 0.319?
The p-value at number 8,
Yeah.
we got 0.689. It just shows it on the Excel thing.
Yeah, I've got them pasted in here, and mine says the p-value is 0.319.
Did you set your null hypothesis to 0? And the type of test to not equal to?
Nope. 0.638.
0.689, I think.
0.689.
Hmm.
Are you doing it on the paired sample t test?
Yep.
What's your t number, or what's the t?
0.473.
Mine's 0.407. What's your mean?
It shows it for the two variables.
Do you have 20? Is n 20?
Yep. And then my variable for one is 288.320, and for 2 it's 257.295.
Yeah. What about the differences?
The deviations.
No, the mean for the differences.
We're not even seeing that.
Are you on the 2 sample t test?
Yep.
That's why you have to be on the paired sample t test because you have to have the differences.
Okay. Let me just jump over here. Ugh, thank you. Oh my gosh. Of course, it won't let me copy and paste them from one to the other. Well, now it still doesn't match.
Oh, I'm done.
Okay.
Do you want the answers, Sam?
That would be great. Sorry.
No, that's fine. Which one are you on?
12.
12 is 0.001.
Okay.
13 is reject the null hypothesis. 14 is decrease. 15 is reject the null hypothesis. And I think 16 is the first one. When it's greater than 0, it's either that or not enough information, depends on the problem.
Okay. I'm going to read it really quick.
I have no idea. Because the last two that we just did on this quiz, when the mu is greater, the p-value got smaller. But I don't know if it's always like that or not.
Yeah, I remember that. I wonder.
Hey, did you guys notice in the notes that we've got that project coming up and he's suggesting that we join with another group because we're so small?
Yeah.
What do you guys think about that?
There's 6 different parts to the project, and that's why it's easier with 6 people. So I'd rather do that and do half the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding. So should I just post something on the discussion board, you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
If there's another group of 3 or something that wants to do the group stuff with us.
All right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the first one. Okay, I'm gonna Oh, it's not enough information. Depends on the problem. So, just that way you can change it if you haven't submitted it yet. And number 5 is wrong.
Uh, wait, what did you put for number 5? 'Cause
0.125. Was that what you had told me?
No,
Oh, okay.
that's not what I told you.
Well, then you're good.
I'm sorry if you heard that, but that's what I put.
It's okay.
Well, I got that one right, so.
Okay. Okay.
Are you still working on it, Renee, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not gonna submit it yet. I'm not even close, so I'm gonna go back over it. Are we gonna meet tomorrow?
Did you say you wanted to do it tomorrow or Thursday?
What works for you guys?
I'd rather do it Thursday.
Okay, we can do it Thursday.
Thursday at 7?
I have time to work on this stuff.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
At 7 again?
Yep.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, I'll post on the board and see if anybody wants to meet with us.
Okay. Thanks. That would be great.
Thanks, you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. See you
Right.
Thursday. Bye.